In this video, I will show you how to send PDF file on Instagram. So when you head over here to your messages on the person, you can see that we have in your camera wherein you can actually add or capture a picture. You can see here a voice chat as well as a media chat and also some. There is no option in order to send a PDF file. In order to send it right there, what you can do is you can head over to your Google Drive or any cloud sharing data. Now, on your files right here, just click on this view and upload in here the PDF file that you want to share. For me, I'll head over and share this Falconer Stars PDF that I have just downloaded. Now, as you can see, this file has been uploaded. Click on this three dots right here. Click on this share right here. And then from in there, click on this not shared. Click on this change right here and then just change the restricted into anyone with the name. Now, once it's been updated, click on this icon right here, which is the link icon. And then once you have actually copied that, you can head over right here to your Insta account and then paste in here the link and send it to that person. And that way, they should be able to access this PDF that we have just sent. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe again, so as to reach more people. See you soon.